Welcome! In this demonstration, we'll walk through how to complete a withdrawal at the ATM. Begin by tapping the screen once. Avoid double tapping, as that may cause the system to skip or reset. Select the option for card transactions. Hold your card at a slight angle when scanning to ensure the machine reads it correctly. Once your card is recognized, enter your personal identification number PIN, then select Continue. You will now see the list of available services. For this example, we'll select Withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. If you prefer smaller denominations, you may adjust the amount accordingly. Once your amount is confirmed, press Continue and then Accept. When the green light appears, your transaction is being processed. And that's it. Your cash is ready. Thank you for using our ATM service.